In today's video, I'll show you how to add a purchase order PO number to your Zoho invoice, helping you and your clients keep track of invoices efficiently. Start by opening Zoho Invoice and navigating to Settings, then head to Preferences. From there, go to the Invoices section and select Field Customization. Click Add New Custom Field and label it PO number. For the data type, choose text so it can accept numbers, letters, or symbols. Make sure to enable Show in all PDFs so the PO number appears on every invoice. Once you're done, click Save. Now, whenever you create a new invoice, you'll see this field available. Simply enter the relevant PO number and it will automatically appear on the invoice PDF. By following these steps, you make your invoices more functional and organized, simplifying record keeping and client communication.